Right here. Pop these clips off. And voila. Some gunk in there. It's really not that bad. It's only got 14,000 miles on it. But we like reusable. So you're gonna put it down like that in the box the same way. So it's kind of a two-handed job right now. So I'm gonna put the camera down for a second. To not damage anything, I just took the connection off here, right there, and right there. Here you can see it. They just clip on, real easy. So you open it up, you can see everything down there. It's a pretty big air box. There's like it's like a vortex generator or a silencer right there. It also might act as like a extra protection for junk going right into that inlet. So you just literally pop this down. So they're in there. Make sure the front. So they're in there. Make sure the front is down and sealed. Voila, you change your air filter, plug this back in, plug this back in, plug this back in, you're done. So to get this out, real easy, pull up, get this out. Push this clip down. There you go. You change your air filter on your Camry.